Hot coffee, cold ice cream, whitening treatments, none of them should cause pain. Yet for millions, tooth sensitivity is a daily struggle, keeping them from enjoying life's simplest pleasures. The solution is here. CrystLCare Biorestorative Fluoride-Free Dental Strips rebuild and restore enamel naturally, providing fast, lasting relief from tooth sensitivity. The benefits: get instant relief from hot and cold sensitivity. Powered by biomimetic ingredients, not harsh chemicals. Vegan, fluoride-free, gluten-free, and safe enough for daily use. How to use: just peel it, then apply to the sensitive area, then wait for a few minutes and then heal instantly. With CrystLCare Biorestorative Fluoride-Free Dental Strips, you can sip, bite, and smile without fear or hesitation. Sensitive teeth deserve strong relief. Protect your smile naturally with CrystLCare Biorestorative Fluoride-Free Dental Strips today. Peel, apply, heal. Order yours at Dentulu.com.